In the meantime, the Supreme Court today lifted an injunction against former director and shareholder of Stocks and Securities Limited, SSL, Hugh Croskery. On January 25, the Financial Services Commission got an injunction against Mr. Croskery, restraining him from dealing with any assets of the company pending a civil suit. Now, the injunction order was also obtained against other directors. But Mr. Croskery's attorneys challenged the court order, arguing that he was unaware of any fraudulent activities associated with SSL and at all times had acted in good faith. One of Mr. Croskery's attorneys, Peter Champagny KC, said the injunction was redundant since their client had resigned as a director of SSL.
In any event, it is not a case where our client is wanting to have any dealings with SSL because he had resigned as a director, albeit that he remains a shareholder. But by this, he's indicating and has indicated that he really was not a part of any activity that would have warranted this kind of injunction against him, this injunctive relief that was sought.
Supreme Court Judge Stephanie Jackson Hazeley also ordered the FSC to pay Mr. Croskery's legal costs. In January, the FSC sought and was granted an injunction blocking the directors from fraud-hit SSL from winding up the company or liquidating its assets.